everyone, Becca Barron here with Cruise Planners, and I'm on board the MSC Magnifica right now on a 3-night sailing. And I just want to give you a quick kind of rundown of my thoughts of this ship. Overall, it really hasn't been a bad ship. It's a very small ship, only like 2,000 or so passengers, and there's not a lot to do on the ship. It's definitely more of a ship for like a couple that just wants to get away for a relaxing weekend, or maybe two friends that just want to get away and relax. There's really I wouldn't bring my family on this ship. There is a lot of kids on board with us right now, but there's really just not much for them to do. You'll see in my ship tour that I'll post that there is a small little kids play area, but that's really about it. It's not, there's no water slides, no ropes courses, no anything like that. I mean, there's even been a lot of the cruise I've been kind of bored because, again, there's just not much to do. So if you want a quick sailing to relax, maybe be the ship for you, but I would definitely not want to do much longer than 3 nights. I'm pretty ready to get off. This is also the ship that does the world cruise, and I don't think I can handle that. All those sea days, because it is small, it's really crowded on sea days, and I think, especially without a balcony, I would have lost my mind on the ship. So we have had 2 sea days because we weren't able to port, so this has been a cruise to nowhere. And yeah, I've spent a lot of time on my balcony because there's really been not much else to do on the ship. But overall, though, the ship is very beautiful. It's very clean. It's very well maintained. They've taken good care of it. It's just small and just doesn't have all the bells and whistles like a lot of your other ships. So I mean, I like it. By far not my favorite ship, but if you're a husband and wife and just want a quick anniversary getaway, then maybe this is the ship for you. But if you're looking for all the bells and whistles, it's not this ship. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.